Now available at McCarthy Cars is a 12 rate Jeep Compass 2.4 limited LTD 4x4. The car is in grey metallic finish and it's got a privacy glass. It is with a 18-inch of Jeep alloy wheels. So I'm gonna open the boot for you. As you can see, it is very well maintained. It's got split folding rear seats, and then it's got a luggage cover. Also, it is with a Boston Premium Audio sound system in it. And here on the tailgate we've got the speakers. I can call them party speakers. The front view of the car, it's got a front forks. The car has covered only 20,000 miles. So the interior of the car is contrasting full black leather finish. It's got a ISOFIX for child seat preparation and 5 headrests. For your safety, it's got a front and side airbags. On the door we've got the electric windows and mirrors. It's got a folding mirrors also. It is with a electric driver's seat. The condition of the interior is in very good condition. I mean, isn't worn at all. Looks like brand new. It's been very good looking after it. So as you can see, it's done only 20,000 miles. It's got a multifunctional steering wheel with a cruise control on the right hand side, and it's got voice commands. It's got a center armrest with some storage in it. It is a automatic gearbox. It's got a front heated seats. And then in here we've got the air conditioner with a climate control. It's got also a satellite navigation. Here we've got the aux in and the USB slot. It is with a hard disk drive, but there is no music right now. It is a touchscreen, by the way. It reads MP3s. You can even see your pictures in there, JPEG files. You can watch DVD movies in it. It's got the voice commands, as I said.
Disk. Sorry, the drive is...
And here we've got the front airbag. On the steering wheel we've got another one, and on the sides here is the switch for 4x4. For any further information, please give us a call to the number next to the video.